In this video, I'll be helping you to understand how to use Keltner channels. Simply put, Keltner channels are volatility-based envelopes. Let's understand Keltner channels in a bit more detail. Keltner channels are quite similar to Bollinger Bands. However, the middle line in a Keltner channel, this one right here, is an exponential moving average. And the two outer lines, this one and this one, are based on the average true range rather than on standard deviations. So how does this make it different to Bollinger Bands? Well, the average true range is a volatility indicator itself, and this means that the Keltner channel also contracts and expands with volatility. The key difference being that Keltner channels are not as volatile as Bollinger Bands. Keltner channels serve as a guide for setting trade entries and exits, and it can help with identifying overbought and oversold levels relative to the exponential moving average. This works best when the trend is flat. Using Keltner channels, the channel top is the dynamic resistance level, while the channel bottom is the dynamic support level. The middle line is very significant and it tends to act as a pullback level during ongoing trends. So how do you identify the trends using Keltner channels? In an uptrend, the price action tends to be confined in the upper half of the channel, which is between the middle line, which acts as support, and the top line, which acts as resistance. In a downtrend, price action is usually confined to the bottom half of the channel, finding resistance at the middle line and support at the bottom line. In a ranging market, price usually swings back and forth between the top and bottom lines, as you can see right here. But why is this? Well, the channel top would be an overbought area, so is where you sell, and the channel bottom is the oversold area, and that's where you buy. Another popular use for trading Keltner channels is when trading breakouts, because as you can see here, this would be a breakout. Price broke above the channel top, and we would often buy here. And as you can see, after that, the price accelerated higher. And the same again here, when price breaks down below the channel's bottom, we would sell here. As you can see, price continues to go down. So I would advise keeping an eye out for breakouts outside of these Keltner channels. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. You should now be able to use Keltner channels. Please do like and subscribe. One day or day one, you decide.